Tonight we'll be talking about the Sisimite or Sisimito, which is another legend that you will hear among the Yucatec Maya people of Belize and also among other ethnic groups found here in Belize. It is believed that the word Sisimite or Sisimito is a corruption of the Nahuatl word Sisimite. And sorry for my wrong pronunciation of Nahuatl, I am not a Nahuatl speaker. Now, according to the elders, the Sisimite or Sisimito is believed to be an ape-looking creature around 6 to even 9 feet tall, roaming in the forest or in the jungles. Some people have described them as having their feet backwards, and this often creates a confusion that some people will call the Nukuchat, which is the Tata Duende, Sisimito, but they are two different creatures or spirits. The Nukuchat, Tata Duende is one, and the Sisimito is another one. The Sisimite is well known for kidnapping people and taking them to the bush. Now, it is not a legend exclusively just in Belize, but it's also heard in Mexico, in Honduras, and even reaching to Nicaragua. It is believed that the Maya groups like the Yucatec Maya, the Itza, and the Alacandon Maya groups already knew about this creature many centuries ago. But the first report by an outsider, by a European, was around the 18th century. So hope you guys have enjoyed this little video of the Sisimite, which would be like the Belizean Bigfoot. Thank you very much. Hach Yom Botek.